Here we are out in the garage again this morning. I had a couple fellows get a hold of me and ask about how I go about making my distributors up, you know, all the plug wires and everything. Now, originally when I got back into the hobby, I bought a pre-wired distributor, and after looking at it, I decided that I could probably make something just as good, which I did, so that's what I do anymore. I just use the stock distributor that comes with these kits and kind of make my own. Here is a stock distributor out of the 55 Chevy Cameo that I'm working on right now, pickup truck. I put a little black dot in the middle there so you can see this. There's a little nub that sticks up in the middle there. That's where that black dot is. I'll take my X-Acto knife and cut that out of there to give me a little bit more of a flat surface to drill with. And then I'll take, I've got one of these just a little push pin, and I press in the middle of that and give myself a starting point for my drill bit. I think this is a 69 thousandths drill bit. This is, hell, I got this at Hobby Lobby, I think, a long time ago. I think they still sell them. But that bit, I think, is about 69 thousandths. That's about the right size to get all 9 wires in that distributor cap. But anyway, then you drill out the center of that distributor cap, go down about halfway of that cap, drill it out, and then you cut your wires. This is the wire I use, this from Gennard Tools, this 30 gauge wire. Get a 100-foot roll. I don't know how much this was, probably around 10 bucks, I guess. But and that's black wire. I use black on everything, so you can get different colors, but that's what I use. But that's about the right size wire. So that's the wire I use, and I'll cut 9 of those. And then after you've got your distributor drilled out, then I put about 3 drops of this Loctite super glue down inside that distributor where I just drilled. Now this is the gel, the ultra gel control. The regular super glue, it works, but it tends to want to wick up on the wires, and you can't really pull your plug wires down tight to the distributor cap because it wants to wick up those wires. So you don't get that problem with the well, I don't anyway, with the gel, ultra gel glue. So that's what I use right there, and it works for me. So like I said, once you get your distributor drilled, cut that little nub off, drill you a hole about halfway down that distributor cap, cut your 9 wires, put your super glue in, and then take your wires and hold them all together and twist the ends of them just a little bit, and work it down in that cap. And then hell, it dries in 30 seconds. And you got yourself a wire distributor, and you can paint it up any color you want. Now this is my 60 Ranchero that I built here a while back, and I'm just going to show you the distributor that's in this one. That's one I made, and I painted it blue because this is a Ford little 302. But that's how I made that one. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, okay. But anyway, that's what they look like. Nothing real fancy, but that's about exact same thing as the one that I bought, the pre-wire distributor I bought, and I think I paid, I don't know how much those were, $4 to $7, something like that, and then it was about the same price to ship it. So hell, I don't know how many I could get out of that. I can get a lot more, though, I can tell you that. But anyway, that's what this video is about, how to make up a wire distributor from your stock distributor that you get in any kit. Okay, that's enough.